my channel. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you all some recent purchases. Actually, I purchased them in November and they have just arrived this month. So I try not to really do any shopping for myself during the month of December. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And first things first, pillows. So these pillows came from On Cloud 9. They're going in my bedroom. I just have them in here for now because I haven't decorated the area yet. And I was like, you know what? They'll go perfect in here with the gray and the gold and the cream. And the thing about them I like is the way the zipper is. So you can flip the pillow. So you can go with the gray on top or on the bottom. So that's why I'm showing them here differently. They are going in the bedroom, which reveals the color that I'm going with. So they came fluffed and already ready to go when I got them. Usually they're pretty flat. They went through the fluffing process. So I got these. I found this one at Home Goods and it was, the price is still on it because I do forget. It was $29.99, so this one will stay in the space. I have it already in here. And of course this pillow I already had. You know, I always take the pillow out that comes with these inexpensive ones and I'll put a feather pillow in it. So I do have one in there to give it a glamorous look. I also got these pillows. I purchased 2 of these from Home Goods. Now I purchased these before these came because I felt like they would go together. They will blend in the bedroom, but they don't necessarily go. So I could put these on the chair and they'll flow with my color scheme. So these were, the tag is already off. I believe these were $29, I think they were $29.99. So I got 2 of these. So that one will go back over here. Let's stay with the bed. I ordered these sheets. They are a king size and I believe they were $30 or $40. And I read the reviews on them. They were all good. I'll share the link of these. They have gray, white, black. They have pretty much all the colors, but I wanted a dark gray. I am a white sheet person, but we're going to dark gray. And it's the 6-piece sheet set, which comes with 4 pillows, the fitted sheet, and the other sheet. Okay. Also on the bed, for the bed, I needed another mattress cover. And this one is made by Ralph Lauren, and I got it from Home Goods. It was $39.99. And it has a little cushion on it. So this is a size king, and that's that. So I do have one on there now, and I need to replace it. It's time. You know, I already had a set. I needed one more set because I thought I would be putting these in the guest room. But I found another one. So apparently someone purchased them and brought them back. So I now have 2 sets. And I did hang them in the video trying them out. But to me, they're still a little thin. But I love the design of them. So I am going to have them pinch pleated as well as putting the backing on them. These are the 108-inch. The length I need, I believe it's like 102, so this would be perfect to be able to cut them as well as add the extra fold to make them look more custom. So we're going to have that done. I won't be doing them. I'll be sending those off to the lady who does my drapes. Next thing I want to share is for the bedroom. Are these little wall plaques. I ordered from the company 3 gold and 6 silver, and they were sold out of the silver, so they sent me the 3 gold. And I wanted to make them warm gold, so I don't know why I didn't think to go ahead and order the 6 gold. because I'm going to lightly spray these with silver paint to give it more of a aged, or I'll say a warm gold look, so, or champagne if you want to call it that. So I got 3 of these and I need 6 more, so I will be ordering the other 6 gold if they have them in stock. And I'll link those, anything I can get, I'll link them in the description. So the other thing I got is this wreath. And I got 2 of them. I got them from Home Goods, I got them back the early part of November, I believe. And I got 2, they were $24.99. And I'm just showing it because I did hang the other one, and I'm going to show you where I'm putting this one in the kitchen or dining area. Set that there. Now, oh, there's stuff all over me. What else? Okay, so this is a bed tray. I've seen them on Z Gallery a couple of years ago, maybe even last year. And they stopped putting them on their website. It's called the Largo, I believe, Largo Bed Tray. And it was, I believe, $79.99 or $95, and they had the 20% off during Black Friday with free shipping. I did order it. It's like a champagne gold color. It has the silver handles and the silver legs. So I did order this for our bedroom, and I've always wanted them. They put them back on the website, so they are available again. I've seen them without the legs, and those are fine, but I want it for my bed. So they got them back in stock, y'all. So if you want them, you probably should order you one. But as for me, this is the time of the year I don't shop for myself. But if I saw this and I wanted it in December, I was gonna get it. And then it's cool because you can set it on something on your glass because the metal legs are folded in, so that's great. I also got plenty of candles. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'm going to share some of my favorites, which is Frozen Lake. If you didn't catch this during Bath and Body Works Christmas candle sale, that's fine. You know it's going to go on clearance because it's a Christmas fragrance. So Frozen Lake smells so good. Another one, this is my year-round limoncello. I put this in my bathroom. Of course, eucalyptus mint and cactus blossom. Those are my all-too favorite from Bath and Body Works. So those candles I did, I only bought like 10 or 12 candles because I have fell in love with all these $2.99 candles, and they smell good. So that is that on the candles. And Scotch Guard. Let me show you why I got some Scotch Guard. I was so happy I have finally found some bar stools that I like. Number one, it had to be comfortable and it had to be pretty. It had to be cute. Now, I found some before and they were just hard. I mean, like really hard. And I've found several that were really hard. But these right here, I love them. I haven't even taken the paper off the legs. And I'm going to show them to you. So let's walk over here and I'll show you. I finally found the perfect bar stools. I got these from House, but they do sell them on Overstock. So I'll put the link for them in the description box. These are about 42.5 inches tall. The seat is about 29 inches. They do have them in the counter height, which the counter height would work for me, but they were a little too short. So I decided to go with counter height, and then I'll have my husband knock about 2 inches off of these. So I am in love with them. They are comfortable. And that's been my biggest holdup on buying bar stools, is finding some that are nice looking as well as comfortable. So I'll put the link to these in the description box if you're interested in something like this. Since we're over here, I'll go ahead and show y'all. I finally got around to painting the back door. The color is called Urbane Bronze. That's the same color as the front door as well as the accent walls on this level. All right, so let's go back to the haul. I purchased these lamps for our master bedroom. They have a brass base and a tweed lampshade. I feel like these would be the perfect marry for my husband and I. They have the glass, gray glass in them, so it'll tie everything together in our bedroom. I absolutely love them. They're 30.5 inches tall and about 19 inches wide. So I love those. I'll put the link for those in the description box as well. Last but not least, this surge protector. Not only do I like it because it has 10 outlets on it, but it has a flat plug. So this is perfect for a chest or something you have close to a wall and you have plugs on it that kind of poke out. This will allow you to move your dresser, chest, or whatever it is all the way up against the wall. So had to get that, got it from Amazon. All right, I'm just going to add this wreath on the table just to add a touch of Christmas over here, and that's it. All right, everyone, that's the end of this haul. I want to thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas.